Maupayng udto ug maupayng pagpaniudto gikan sa University of Science and Technology of Southern Philippines. Kini yung katsikahan sa kaudtuhan. I am David and you're watching Lunch Chat. Greetings across the USTP system from Alubihid, Balubal, Cagayan de Oro, Claveria, Hasaan, Oroqueta, Panoon ug Villanueva. Dayon kamo kay atong hisgutan ang tipik sa atong 7-point agenda dynamic ug ang mga nagkadaiyang initiatives and activities sa atong universidad. Sa mas pakomprehensibo ug mas pinalingaw nga Lunch Chat. Mabugnaong kautuhan mga ka-trailblazers. We are here at the one of the food basket of Misamis Oriental, walay lain ang Claveria. And of course, joining us here this kautuhan is our 4 ka-trailblazers kung asa they are venturing into startup and entrepreneurship and of course, innovation. Para makasikan nato, let us welcome sa Lunch Chat, we have Lian, Kizia, Cheryl, and David. Hello, maayong udto o welcome sa Lunch Chat.
Maayong udto.
Alright, so ila-ilahon na nato sila mga ka-trailblazers because this is very much exciting, no? Okay, we're talking about startup. So, first your name and then unsa nato ang course and year pod.
So, hi everyone, I am Lian, one of the members of Team Agri Kasanag, and I am a third-year student taking a Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Entrepreneurship.
Alright.
I am Kizia Idoria, and I am taking up Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, currently third year, and majoring in Entrepreneurship.
Hi, I am Cheryl Joy Fuyo, and I am also a third-year student taking up Bachelor of Science, major in Entrepreneurship.
Hello everyone, my name is Remedave Estizo. I'm a third-year student. I'm currently taking up also the Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Entrepreneurship.
Alright, so our future agriculturists, no, kay live na sa ato karon, no, sa atong Lunch Chat. And of course, talking about your startup, no, what is Agri Kasanag?
Agri Kasanag is a combination of agriculture and Kasanag. Kasanag means light, that is why we use that term to emphasize that agriculture is the light for the future. That is why Agri Kasanag.
Wow, light for the future. Alright, so when was this established, no? Kanos gusto makabalo ato mga trailblazers kung kanos giunsa pud ni nato og established? Anyone?
So, the team behind Agri Kasanag are individuals who share the same passion and commitment to environmental sustainability. We started our group when our mentors, Mr. Renan and Mr. Roswin Savandal, encouraged us to join an upcoming competition which is the Circular Cities Asia.
Alright.
That's how we started.
Okay, so kanos unsa nga year pod by the way?
This year lang.
This year, alright. So, asa pod mo nag-inspire or unsay naka-inspire sa inyo to make this startup?
After knowing what Circular City Asia is all about, nag-agto mi sa community na mo, sir. We go out and then nangita mi og problem that needed solution. That's why pag-validate na mo sa amo ang problem, nakita na mo, especially sa public market, kibali ang ilahang mga organic waste such as mga vegetable scraps and fruit scraps, nara siya gibutang sa kilid sa dalan, and then nakatambay lang siya diha, wala siya gina-collect ba.
Alright.
So it's very unsanitary para sa environment. And then that's why through sa amo ang interviews pod, nag-interviews mi sa mga local residents, and then we found out nga ang ilahang mga basura is walay proper segregation kay matod pa sa sa isang namo ka interviewing nga nganong mag-segregate daw kay kalas ra daw kaayo sa time. And then it will end up in the same landfill ra daw gihapon kung i-collect siya. That's why through that research we have validated our problem. That lead us to this question: how might we transform organic waste in Claveria into a valuable resource and makahatag ni og kanang economic opportunities sa amo ang local communities.
Exactly. So this is, I believe, very promising, no? But our ka-trailblazer is curious to know unsa gid ang inyong product nga kuan gina-pitch, no? And even gina-compete.
So that's why, sir, we have come up with a solution. And our solution is to turn this organic waste into a valuable animal nutrition, which is an animal feed. Ang pangalan is INID, which stands for Insect Nutrition for Environmental Excellence and Development.
Wow, INID.
Yes.
Alright. So, when we talk about feeds, dagan kay lain-lain, no? Personally, I have pets and then they also have feeds sa dogs. So, unsa ni nga animals are we talking about?
As of now, sir, we are focusing sa poultry nga industry. In particular is sa mga broiler chickens.
Wow.
Mo sa amo ang gi-focus karon.
Alright.
As of now.
Sige po. How about Cheryl, no? Kanang unsa pod ang ato ang kuan ani? Unsay benefits kung ihatag or i-supplement ko din nato sa atong mga manok?
So, ang BSSN Mongol, which is among ginakuhaan og sole protein source, is rich in protein siya. So, it would give proper growth sa manok. And among yung product is formulated, so ginafit gid na mo siya sa nutrient requirement para sa manok.
Alright, so formulated gid kay ato ang really very nutritious, no? Sa ato ang mga broiler chickens. Now, would like to ask, you've mentioned many times kaganina, what is Circular Cities Asia?
Circular Cities Asia, sir, is the design sila program known as Circular Enterprise Program, in which the support sila sa mga enterprises or startups that focuses on the circular economy solutions.
Alright.
So they provide mentorship, resources, funding, and especially platforms to those individuals or innovators who innovates or works sa mga solutions towards sustainable practices.
Alright, so basically si Circular Cities Asia is nag-fund sa inyo karon, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so kumusta man ang ilahang kuan sa inyo experience, no, nga knowing na napoy ka nang nag-support, no, sa inyo ha?
They provided us kanang grabe ilahang we have one good experience 3 months incubation. So in the 3 months incubation is we really learned a lot from them, starting from startups up to implementing our product good. And they give us funds in which nakapalit nami og mga equipments to start our concept good, which is the feeds. Naka-provide na pod mi naka-build na pod mi og rearing unit for our black soldier fly larvae to ensure the sustainability of our product.
Alright. So, going back, no, sa ato ang feeds mismo. I'm very much curious to know kay knowing this is an organic waste, diba? And we all know nga there are kanang microorganisms, microbes nga pwede na to makita or I mean ma-produce, no, through a waste. Unsa ninyo og kwan unsa nga process i-filter or unsa ba ninyo?
The organic, sir, before na mo siya i-feed sa amo ang larvae, i-pre-treated sa na mo siya ang amo ang mga organic waste. Kibali pilian na mo siya and then moagi pa siya og kanang process na to, which is the sanitation.
Alright.
Before na mo siya i-feed gid mismo sa amo ang larvae to ensure nga wala gi masagol sa iya nga mga harmful microorganisms.
Okay. So that's good to know, no, nga kanang from that process we really ensure the quality pod nga atong mahatag, no, sa mga kuan sa atong livestock. And of course, unsa pod ang support, no, sa ato ang USTP Claveria in development of also the growth of Agri-Kasanag?
From the very beginning, sir, USTP Claveria has been supportive to Team Agri-Kasanag, First, namely that whenever we are joining competition, since dili ra CCA ang gapilang yung competition, they really provided us with transportation,
Alright.
like that. And here in the campus, they let us use the research laboratories, facilities, and of course, labi na sa mga faculty sa College of Agriculture, they help us get in validating this concept. We have kasi consulted mga technical expertise sa labi na sa animal nutrition, which is Mr. Jover Habagat. And aside from that, they give us the kanang bitawng gisugtan mi nila nga magtukod ni og platform diri sa USTP to test and validate our concept, which is katong gisugtan mi nila nga mag-put up sa among rearing unit diri sa campus.
Ayan. So, exciting kayo no, knowing that the USTP mismo, no, dali sa Claveria is really supported no, sa inyong sa inyong startup. Now, for our last nga message, no, what would you like to tell to our fellow ka-trailblazers nga nananaw karon kung asa naapoy aspirations nga ako sa ka-trailblazers magimo ko og startup someday? Sige.
Ito first, Rem?
Juan, the moment nga nakita nimo ang gamay nga butang, i-take gid ninyo og consideration, since we never as our team nga pa sa mo ang pag-develop na mo ning startup, nag-start siya sa small nga butang, then nahimo siyang kadako. So as a trailblazer, to those who are inspiring to be an innovator, you must also look to the smaller things. That way you will change your course, your journey in life, maybe for the better. Even it's risky, but it's very, very fun journey.
Alright. Risk taker. Okay.
So for me, ang message lang gid nako sa fellow trailblazers is, of course, be an opportunity grabber, a risk taker, and also a wise dreamer.
Alright.
For me, one thing is kanang persistent gyud sa tanan butang. Kay kung nakay butang nga gisugdan and then dili ka persistent nga mo grow na siya into something good, dili gid na siya mahimong successful.
And for me is, do not be afraid to commit mistakes, because in that mistakes you will learn a lot. The Agri-Kasanag has faced numerous rejections before we came up into this. So I encourage you all to start on the simple things, because diha mo mag-start simple things, diha mo maka-start og mga nice nga mga ideas.
Alright. So, very inspiring words no, coming from our team Kasanag. And of course, atong mga ka-trailblazers, hopefully no, na-inspire mo gikan sa ilahang ako. Because I believe that trailblazers are really innovators, and at the same time, aspirations po dayon nga mo trailblaze good dayon all the way, no? Bisag asa pa na. And of course, thank you so much for having us this kaudtuhan.
Thank you, sir.
We hope for your greater endeavor sa inyong startup, and at the same time for more opportunities nga inyohang ma-meet along the way. So, good luck and thank you so much for this kaudtuhan. But for now, mga ka-trailblazers, ato sang putlong natong discussion, because later on makauban pod nato og maila-ila nato kung unsa ang isa sa atong extension sa atong USTP Claveria. But for now, ato sang pagailahon kung unsa ang tatak USTP diri sa USTP Claveria.
Kini ang lamihang gatas sa USTP Claveria. Manginom ta! #TatakUSTP.
Alright mga ka-Trailblazer, that is for our Tatak USTP. And of course, no, lamian yung gayo ilahang mga fresh milk dari kay even I know when I am traveling back to Cagayan de Oro and even going to Claveria, no, ang isa gid sa akong gina-look forward is ang ilahang fresh milk. Without further ado po mga ka-Trailblazers, atong ila-ilahon kung unsa ang extension nga campus sa ato ang USTP Claverian. With us here this kaudluhan is Dr. Lance of USTP Claveria Talakag Extension. Hi Doc, good afternoon, maayong udto.
Ay, maayong udto, sir.
Ayan, so pwede na to i-greet po sa ato ang ka-Trailblazers, Doc.
Hello mga ka-Trailblazer of USTP across USTP system, especially my students in USTP Claveria Talakag Extension.
Ayan. So, Doc, we are very glad no na maila-ila na ginamo finally kay dagan pod kayo curious kung unsa ni ang extension, no? Kay we have two extensions. We have from Sumilao and then Talakag, both from Bukidnon. So sir, could you tell us kano saan siya na-establish and then ano po gi-establish po ni nato, sir?
USTP Claveria Talakag Extension was established last July of this year, 2024, upon the approval of our Board of Regents in USTP system. This is a vision of the good Congressman, the 1st District of Bukidnon, Congressman Juman Alba, kung ang iyang gusto yun nga matukuran og extension class ang Sumilao and Talakag. Actually, late na ang Talakag na-approve. Kaya ang pinakauna yun nga na-approve was the Sumilao extension class. And then, during the second quarter, Board of Regents na-approve po din ang Talakag extension class sa Miarayon Talakag. Nag-start din ang ato ang extension class this school year, first semester of school year 2024 to 2025. Okay. So ang ato ang first official class yun nato, i-consider nato dito, was on August 19, 2024. That was the first flag raising ceremony of the Talakag extension class, wherein our good Chancellor of USTP Claveria attended the ceremony, including also the presence of our Mayor of Talakag, Mayor Gito Factura, Vice Mayor Nobly of Talakag also, and some other municipal officials. Okay. So ang kauban ni Kong Juman, also the local government unit, kay sila man ang nag-push bali sa ordinansa nga mag-create og Talakag extension class. Ang Talakag extension class, this is located in Barangay Miarayon. These are somewhat like 58 kilometers from the poblasyon. So medyo distansya gid ang ato ang extension class nato. Apan sa pangandoy sa ato ang local government unit nga matukuran sila dito tungod kay ang atong mga kaigsuunan nga mga talaandig, no, nga mga estudyante, wala gyud kay sila oportunidad nga maka-eskwela og duol-duol. Actually naay ato ang State University yapon dito, no, Bukidnon State University, nasa Talakag poblasyon. Pero distansya gyud siya sa ilahang lugar, no. So kung atong lantaw medyo ang ilang opportunities sa mga estudyante burag di gyud ta kaingon nga manindot nga bali, no. Pero karon they are very thankful that USTP Claveria opened its opportunity aron sila pod maka-eskwela. So mana ang nakita nato nga kaayuhan bali sa pagtukod sa pang extension.
Opportunities bringing closer to our kuan pod no ato ang talaandig brothers and sisters. And talking more about this extension, sir, what are the programs no nga ato ang gina-offer dito pod, sir?
Currently, we are offering one program now based on the memorandum of agreement signed between USTP and local government unit of Talakag. We are offering the Bachelor of Science in Agriculture preparation for a major in crop science. So gituyo nga major in crop science ang atong i-offer dito, aside bali sa the four major courses, no, in the BSA of USTP Claveria. We have the animal science, crop science, entrepreneurship, and dairy science. But all these four, ang crop science mo gibutang dito nga major good preparation because the place is strategic for crop science.
Alright. So, sir, talking about the demographics po, pila po datong enrollees dito, sir?
For now, we are catering 78 students no, sa ato ang university extension class.
So more or less 2 classes, sir?
Yeah, we have 2 classes. One section, we have 40 students and the other one has 38 students.
30. Alright. So that's good to know po, sir, no? And of course, sir, what are the things are we looking forward po, sir, sa atong extension?
Of course, ang atong gina-look forward nato sa ato ang extension class is number 1 is ang atong mga estudyante no nga kanang 78 first batch nato makalampos yun sila up to 4th year. And another also is that we shall have praying for nga ang atong local government unit mo suporta gayud no. Actually they passed already the ordinance and of course the congressman of first district kay ang ato ang state extension class manggod is nibarog siya tungod pod sa political will bali sa ato ang political leaders in that province of first district of Bukidnon.
Alright, that's good to hear, you know, sir. Lastly, sir, unsa to ang message no sa atong mga trailblazers nga nananaw nga naa sa atong extension class?
Hello everyone no. Again, I am happy no nga kini ang we are actually operating right now our extension class in Talakag, and I am hoping na more support paghapon nato ang makuha no from our other stakeholders also. And again, I'm looking forward na unta kini magpadayon ug magmanang puso ng ato ang extension class in Talakag as well as also in Sumilao no, because pareho sila nga bagong nataon na itong extension class by USTP Claveria. Ako po din i-take the opportunity no, to invite our university officials, no, the Board of Regents, the USTP Claveria officials, no, across all system officials also, to visit USTP Claveria Talakag Extension Class in Barangay Mearayon, Talakag, Bukidnon. Also, no, invite po na ako ang Stratcom para maka-document po sila, makita nila ang ato ang mandate nga view sa Mearayon, Talakag, Bukidnon.
Alright, there you have it, Dr. Lanz, and magmalaumon pod mi, sir, for the brighter future of our extension classes. And of course, thank you so much ka Trailblazers sa pag-uban-uban sa ato karong kaudtuhan, and of course, very bugnaw no kay first na ata sa USTP Claveria. And thank you so much also for our USTP Claveria admin no nga nag-cater sa ato Ma'am Nueva, and of course Sir Ayan sa ato ang USTP Claveria Stratcom na focal, and of course sa ato mga students nga nananaw sa ato karon sa ilang tagsa-tagsang gagmay nga gadgets or mapadako nga gadgets. And with that, in the University 7-Point Agenda Dynamic, na Team Agri-Kasanag Project and the USTP Claveria Extension Class falls under letter D, which is to develop and implement strategies in fostering innovation and entrepreneurship. Hangtod sa makabuluhang chikahan sa kaudtuhan, and of course, thank you so much once again USTP Claveria for having us here this kaudtuhan. This is David Oran para sa Lunch Chat.